Hi, welcome to session. Today we discussed about the steps involved in import purchase. Already we discussed about the import substitution. Followed that what are all the steps involved in import purchase or import procedures. There are many steps involved in the import purchase. First thing is need identification. What is the need of the particular import? What is a importer has to identify the need for import specific materials, and also based on that they are taking the decisions about the necessary of the import of particular material. First we clearly note about the need identification. After that we do the particular action, because need correctly we are identified means we are specific the material means definitely it will help the productions and also profit of the company. Second one is in-depth study. First step we are identify the need of the raw materials. After that it is the what is the depth of the study means it is import and export policy currently in force. Then third one is source development or supplier selection. It is the main point, because first we identify the need identification. After that, based on the need identification, in depth of the study of the import and export policy. What are the import policy and export policy? Definitely we consider about, and thoroughly we are check the all the rules and regulations. Then third one is sources development or supplier selections. Next step is the import procedure is the what are the sources. We are collecting the information about the particular things, maybe what are all the discounts, offer, quality and quantity of the products, image of the company. These are all the information thoroughly we are definitely collected. On that it is based on that we definitely should analyze the purposes and evaluation of selection of the further negotiations. Then next steps are import purchase is what are the import substitution doing following reasons. But before that we consider about the following the reasons of the import purchase. Technical experts they are unwilling to take risk, definitely we are consider. And production facilities, quantity required, high cost of production, foreign collaboration discouraging, these are all the points definitely we consider about these are all the points. Then fourth one is negotiation. Negotiation is the one of the steps of import purchase, because on the basis of the data developed in respect of the selected few parties, because we are need based in-depth study and selection and sources, based on that we select the only few parties. After that negotiations are carried out with them in order to determine the suppliers with whom the final contract may be entered, because the negotiation include the some terms and conditions. It is a choice of currency, it is a currency based, shipment schedules, shipping, documentations, mode of packing, etc. These are all the information based on the negotiation. Not only the price, quantity and quality, we consider about the currency, shipment, insurance, mode of packaging. These are all the things. Then next one is steps is import license. On the basis of foreign party, import license if required, if applied for, obtained things it is needed. Then next one is contract. Contract is important on the basis of the negotiation included, because in negotiation we consider about the price, quality, quantity, mode of packaging, transport, these are all the things. Based on that, it is a contract agreement is entered into a between the supplier and the importer. That is a contract. Contract is nothing but it is the both the parties accepting and based on the particular one. Between the contract is necessary for various person. It is based on the banks, customs authorities, etc. Contract is nothing but agreement between the two parties, that is a buyer and seller. It definitely it include the some terms and conditions. Okay, the next steps is opening a letter of credit, that is a LC. A letter of credit is a contract usually stipulates for opening a letter of credit by the importer favor of the overseas supplier, because importer approaches the banker for getting a letter of credit opened and same is communicated towards. In that there are 7 steps involved in the import purchase. First one is need identified. First, need identification. Based on that need we consider about the in-depth study. Then third one is identification, that. Then fourth one is it is based on the negotiation. Then fifth one is import license. After that is contract, then opening of letter of credit. These 7 are steps involved in import purchase. Thank you. We see the next video in next session.